It's a rainy afternoon here on Easter Sunday, 2026, and we're currently set up at Exton, Pennsylvania in Chester County on Amtrak's Keystone Corridor. In the background, you can see the former Pennsylvania Railroad's Trenton Cutoff, which joined the Keystone Corridor just up the line at Whitford. It originally went all the way east to Trenton, New Jersey. Making its way east into Exton is Amtrak Train 666, on its way from Harrisburg to New York's Penn Station. Even though this station is also served by SEPTA, only Amtrak trains stop at Exton on weekends. SEPTA commuter trains all terminate at Malvern on Saturdays and Sundays. One of the more interesting portions of this section of the Keystone Corridor is the former PRR CPLs that are still active, with Exton having the westernmost one still active. We continue west on the Keystone Corridor about 30-odd miles to Christiana to watch Amtrak Train 43 pass by the former Pennsylvania Railroad depot in the village of Christiana. Christiana is also home to the Lancaster chapter of the National Railway Historical Society, which owns the former PRR freight depot and the Conrail caboose in the background. We continue on to the grade at Gap, where Train 42 is seen rolling east, with Phase 2 Heritage number 130 sweeping around the 30-mile-per-hour curve. In the outskirts of Lancaster, Amtrak 670 is making good time east after its station stop, as it continues on east toward Parkersburg and Philadelphia.
Amtrak milepost 64.3. Track 1. No defects. Detector out.
The rain soon cleared up and brought us sunny skies in the late afternoon, as we set up in Dolphin alongside the Buffalo Line, as Train 13Z is seen approaching Enola. The 13Z will be stopping at CPY due to traffic heading east and west on the Pittsburgh Line. This gave us the opportunity to cross the Susquehanna River and head over to Duncannon. Rounding the curve eastbound approaching CP Cannon is train 22M on its way from Chicago to Morrisville, Pennsylvania, with an SD70 ACE on the point. With 22M all clear of CP Cannon, train 27G came off the eastbound main at CP Rockville and made its way west on the Pittsburgh Line with one of NS's brand new landmark units.